So today I have a video that is a little bit special to me for obvious reasons by the title. Today I am wearing my dream dress, which I had been stalking for 3 to 2 years. Because this entire look is inspired by this dress, it is very dolly and it has a lot of red tones and it's very sweet and cute at the same time. So let's start with our makeup and try on some clothes. So I already skipped ahead and started with my foundation because I didn't really use anything new. I'm still using the Dear Klairs Illuminating Supple Blemish Cream with SPF 40, and I've been using this for months since the summertime, so I'm sure you guys are tired of watching me do this over and over again, so I just already put it on. The only thing that I did different with my base makeup, which I do want to recommend to you guys, is the Blur Drop Weightless Water Primer from Kaja. I don't think that I used this in a video yet. I could be wrong, but I don't think I did. But this is the base that I'm wearing underneath my BB cream today. It almost has sort of like a silicone smoothing feel to it, so it's definitely not as hydrating as other primers, but it does smooth over my skin really nice, and it does create a really nice base for my foundation. So I'm going to prep my lips with the Marine Salve from Make Beauty, and this is in the color Bex. It's a very hydrating balm with a little bit of color to it. And I really like this product because now that it's getting colder and drier, my lips are just consistently chapped all the time, so I like to just pop this on. So I'm going to be starting with some of these beauty bentos from Kaja, and I have a couple of them that I'm going to use today. I really love these products. They're so easy to use. So they're like triple stacked little travel sized eyeshadows. So you get like 3 different colors in a set, and they're all complementary to each other. And I just think that these are so cleverly designed, and all of the shades are really beautiful too. When I travel, I basically just like toss like a couple of these in my bag, and it's really space saving because I don't have to bring around like clunky palettes anymore. It's probably one of like my favorite products out of 2019 altogether. So starting with the Beauty Bento in number 2, Orange Blossom, I'm going to use the last one, so the darkest shade, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyes. And then I'm also going to be just bringing this color down to my lower lash lines as well. Then I have my 2 one-shot eyeshadow palettes, both from Chica y Chico. First, going into the one-shot eye palette in number 3, Brick Khaki, I'm going in with the color Red Bean Fur with a pencil brush, and I'm first applying this on the outer half of my eye in a slight cat eye shape. And this is just going to elongate my eyes and give it more of a dolly appearance. So after achieving a rough shape with my pencil brush, I'm going in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out the harsh edges so that it blends a little more seamlessly. Then going into the one-shot eye palette in number 4, Wine Burgundy, I'm using the color Burgundy Heel, and again with the same pencil brush, I'm just bringing this really close to my upper lash line. And this is just going to give a little bit more redness to our eyeshadow while darkening it at the same time, because there are a lot of reds in my outfit today, and I just want to play off the color scheme and make it more cohesive. So I'm stupid and I forgot to put on my mic, so I have to redo this little bit of voiceover. But basically what I was saying, then going back into another Beauty Bento from Kaja. So I'm using the first color in the stack, which is this beautiful and amazing shimmery color. I'm also dragging this through my entire lower lash line so that I can get a lot of shimmers throughout the entire bottom. And I like this effect because it sort of gives you like a big watery-eyed look, and I just think that it looks really cute. Lastly, I'm just going to curl my lashes and also apply some mascara, and that is it for our eyes. Now that our eyes are done, I can finish off the rest of our face, and let's move into the cheeks. I'm going in with this blush from Kaja, and this is, I don't know exactly what it's called, and it doesn't say on the packaging either, but it's something like their heart stamp cheek blusher. So again, with all of their products, it is a really cute and well-designed package. So here on top is the heart stamp. So you twist it off, and you have the heart stamp, and then in the bottom you open it up, and here is the stamp pad with all of the blush pigment inside. And obviously it's insanely cute, but I actually just really love the color of this one in particular. It's the perfect muted dusty color that I really like for my cheeks because it's more natural. So you can blend this out with your fingertips, but I actually prefer to use a sponge. And I've already wet my sponge, so I'm just going to go in and blend this out. And then to finish off our face, I'm going in with an all-new highlighter that I just received from ColourPop, and this is their collaboration with Pony Park. So this is the Bitty X ColourPop highlighter. I have been following Pony for a really long time. Obviously, I'm a fan of her looks. I think she is really, really talented, and I was really excited to receive this in the mail. So just using my fingertips, I'm just going to be applying this to the high points of my face. It's been so long since I touched a ColourPop product. They're so soft. It's like petting a bunny. I actually really love this color. This is my first time using it. It's a little bit more on the natural side with the really fine pearlized shimmers. It doesn't have like big chunky glitters in it, and I think that just looks better on me personally. Lastly, to finish everything off, I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of a neutral lip. So I'm going in with this lippy from Egg Lips. It's sort of this like burnt orange color, and I think it's sort of more on the neutral side as well. I do want to say that this product in particular is not a favorite. It is insanely drying on my lips, but because I have a really hydrating gloss to put on afterwards, that doesn't necessarily bother me, but I don't really recommend this product. I just like the color. So now that I have a light layer of this lipstick, I'm going in on top with this colored lip gloss from M Cosmetics. And you guys know that the True Gloss has been a long time favorite, and I'm going in with the color Red Jasper. And this is again another muted orangey red color. These days I'm so obsessed with gloss. I don't leave the house without putting on some sort of lip gloss, so of course I need to add some. And lastly, to accessorize, I'm going to be finishing off my look with a velvet headband, and I picked velvet because it matches the velvet detailing of the dress and is also pink, so I think that it matches perfectly. So I can't wait to tell you guys about this dress that I'm wearing. So you guys know that one of my favorite brands is For Love and Lemons, and I think about 2-3 years ago they released this dress. It is the Blossom mini dress. I could never stop thinking about this dress for the next like 2 years because I always thought that this was my perfect dress. Like the slight baby doll silhouette and the print and the mix and match of chiffon and also velvet and the bow, and it kind of bummed me out that I couldn't afford it back then. For the next 2 years I was always watching to see if someone else would sell theirs, and I found that someone finally uploaded a listing of this dress in the color that I wanted, in the size that I needed, to eBay. So I bought it, and it actually came in the mail, and I don't know, like I guess I'm just like so happy that I finally have this dress. I think more than anything it was about the long con, where I had been stalking this dress relentlessly for 2 years and I like finally had the chance to get it. It's just something that I'm really excited to have as part of my collection of like precious dresses. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look and also this outfit try on. I am so in the holiday mood now. I feel like this is such like a cute dolly holiday look, and I am just really, really excited for the holidays. I feel like there's been a lot that's been going on in my life, and it's been really hectic. Moving out with my boyfriend and also like moving into a new apartment, and you bet that there will be some sort of like apartment tour later down the line. So yeah, there's just been a lot of exciting things happening, but I'm really excited to slow down for the holidays. So thank you guys so much for watching as usual, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye!